Hello?
Andrew, wake up. It's almost noon. I thought you were going for a run.
Where do I run? Introducing AutoJog. Available now on the iOS App Store. Fill in your preferred distance starting point and the rest is taken care of. A few clicks away and you are on your way to a customized runner experience.
Alright, so here's how it works.
So here's our front page of our iOS application, AutoJog. To generate a new route, simply click the Start button on the front page, and that'll navigate you to the Create Route page. From here you can enter your distance. Let's go with 2 miles. And then when you're done, you can type in your starting point. Let's go with University of Michigan. You'll see a drop-down autocomplete menu, and you can click on the correct address. At this point, you can click Submit, and this will take you to your automatically generated route. If you aren't happy with the route that was given, simply click the Refresh button, and it'll generate a brand new route for you with the same starting point and the same distance. At this point, you'll click Directions, and that'll take you directly to Google Maps and load up the navigation for your route. Once you're finished with your run, simply navigate back to the AutoJog app and click the End Route button. From here, you can rate your route and you can see the total distance traveled. Then click Save Route. Simply select OK, and you'll be redirected back to the front page. If you'd like to access your saved routes, simply click the Menu button on the bottom right of the menu bar. This will take you to the My Routes page. Here you'll see a list of entries of all of your saved routes. For more details regarding your route, simply click on the entry. Here you'll find more information about the route, such as the rating, the time that it was completed, the distance, the type of route, and the starting point. This application was built using asynchronous storage. That means all of the information in the saved routes will be saved to your local device. That way, when you exit the app and you open it back up, all of these routes will continue to be there. On the top right of the front screen, you'll see an information icon, which will lead you to the About page. Here you can access a tutorial for the application as well as our privacy policy. So let's get into some more details about the product as a whole. Here at AutoJog, we go the distance. My group mates were Rohan, Mariana, Sydney, and myself, Andrew. Before we began writing the code for the application, we had to build a prototype. So step 1 was wireframing using Balsamiq. The wireframe was designed based on initial surveys we conducted on what users would like to see in our application. The final wireframe was then sent to users who gave feedback on visual design and features in the application. The visual design was based on user feedback collected from the wireframe. The interactive component of an online application called Figma allowed users to flow through the application design. Users then gave us feedback on the flow of the app, which was taken into consideration in the building process. Not all features in the final draft of the visual design were included in the MVP. However, they will be added in the near future. These features include a setting page, the loop route feature, the ability for users to flag their favorite routes, and the addition of elevation and average pace as a feature. So let's talk about the financial side of the company. Unfortunately, we don't have any revenue at the moment as we're focused on user growth, but we plan to add a free version with ads and a paid subscription without ads. Without considering labor costs, the only cost would be launching the app in the App Store, which is $100, but with labor, we're at negative $3,805. While we don't generate revenue right now, we project to have a 1-year profit of $84,106 based on a monthly user growth rate of 40%, thanks to marketing efforts and based on half our users picking free ads and the other half picking $2 a month subscription. Along the way, we did face some challenges. It was difficult to code the application because there's many route possibilities, and it's hard to figure out an algorithm for the loop route. In terms of in-person feedback, we initially tried to distribute the final app to users using something called Test Flight, but it was complicated to install. So we went through the App Store, which took multiple days, required legal documents, a support website, and more. Furthermore, We spent too long implementing a full-fledged app when we could have gotten a bare-bones app submitted to gain users during the class period, which would have given us more time to iterate and improve. Overall, we're very proud of our product and optimistic about its future success for students, professors, and marathoners alike. Thank you for your attention. If you're interested in downloading AutoJog, just scan the QR code above and download it from the iOS App Store.